Okay, so we stayed here for 1 week in October 2024. I'm going to give you a quick room tour and then a fairly detailed tour of the whole place. Just kind of walking around, looking at everything, and then showing you a walk around the loop. But I'm not going to go inside any of the other rooms, just our room, which was a number 15. It was a guest cottage. They have all kinds of different rooms and houses, some with kitchens, some with 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. I think they have one with 6 bedrooms, all kinds of configurations. And I guess they all have a fireplace, or whatever that means. And some have hot tubs or jetted tubs inside. A fireplace and a TV. Sofa. It's been here a while. This place is quaint. Our neighbors left this morning, and they had some extra stuff. Some chips and some cold drinks, and they gave them to us. We have a little mini fridge, a microwave, coffee, and a sink. And over here we have a little bathroom. Nothing spectacular or fancy, but it's nice and clean. They have definitely made the most of what they have. Here's a little bedroom. Got 2 beds. I guess they're full size. They might be 2 queens, I'm not sure. A little place to put our stuff. Little closet. Look at the woodwork. And look at these windows. It's a perfect, nice temperature. And then every one of these cottages has exquisite stained glass on this window, and it's all a different pattern. Isn't that pretty? Here's a little map. That is where our room is. And then these 3 buildings are like the main attraction. I'm going to take you for a little walk around, and we're going to look inside some of those buildings, such as the restaurant and the general store and the rec center. Okay, let's start walking. Nice and spread out. Lots of breathing room.
It's a Tuesday morning, so there's a lot of power washing, lawn mowing, stuff's going on, which is good. I would like to note that I don't have a filter on. This is the sky. We had a breakfast. I'll show you where we had our breakfast. This is the back of the checkout building I showed you a minute ago. I don't know what's up with the rock lava cabins, cottages, but I like them. Number 20. I'm not sure if you can request a certain one. We emailed for our reservations. I hesitate to give info like that because things change so much. Just go to the website. Oh, there's the back I can identify. That's our little buttercup. I call those buttercups, but they're not. I will have to put on the screen the name of those flowers. I don't remember them right now. Back to the tour. That's the administration building, and the front of that building is where you check in. Where you come for breakfast. We got two little free passes for 2 breakfast buffets. After that, you have to pay for it. It was a nice spread. I enjoyed it. Some flowers. More stained glass. Just really prettier to look at it from the inside. That's the lounge.
Where the best place is to use it. I've written some papers in the past.
Where are you from?
Okay, back from the cafe. Basically, they had eggs, bacon, pancakes, fried rice, yogurt, fruit, a grill, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. This is the post office. I don't know if it's true here. Sometimes if you're on a base, you can mail flat rate stuff without paying more. You just pay regular flat rate if you have a military ID. So, I'm not sure. I can't make any promises on that. All right, here's the other building. Oh, okay. Look at this. Arcade. Halloween. It's pretty nice. You've got the coffee center. Hello. Just lounging areas. This is part of the bowling. Somebody in a cage.
Like just hanging around, isn't it obvious? Still proportional and let me out of here. Girl, get me out of here.
Well, this is kind of nice. Look at this. Got 5 lanes. I have a grill in there that's open, I think, every night, just about. Look at that. It's pretty nice. Oh, they got the old school pinball. I like those.
Are you ready for my hot and hair truck, Mary?
Just a room. Bathrooms. Alright. Let's go in the store.
I would like to talk about how nice everybody was that I encountered. All the people who work here were very friendly and casual and easy to strike up a conversation with. Kind of hesitated whether I should mention this or not, but overall in Hawaii, I don't find it to be especially friendly. Maybe that's because I'm a southerner, I don't know, but of course I guess Oahu is very crowded, but people just aren't very nice. You can say hello and smile and they'll just look at you and walk on by. They won't even say hello back. And I don't really mean other tourists, but I hate to stereotype, but just my overall impression in dealing with the people at service counters and just regular people that I would just see kind of on the sidewalk, I don't find it to be especially friendly here. So anyway, that's my 2 cents.
Okay, store is done. I'm gonna just walk the loop. Sometimes I feel kind of silly making such detailed videos, but like if you're only get one vacation a year, you don't want to blow it going to a place that you may not even be interested in going to, you know? So I think it's helpful. There's the house that President Eisenhower stayed in. It's called the Eisenhower House. We'll go look at it. It won an award. It was up on the wall in the newspaper for some of the best historical preservation projects. I'm sure I'm getting that wrong, but it is meticulously maintained. Oh, chicken scared me. That's one of those nays. No, that's a black. What is it? It's not a black chicken. I'm not going to get any closer. It has babies. Huh. Interesting. There are a lot. There's a lot of housing on here. It just goes on and on back here. As far as the prices go, I didn't think they were dramatically cheaper than some of the lodging that I looked up on Google Maps around here. There's a lot more availability. And then, of course, there are some hotels around here like $400 a night. So it does vary. The grounds are beautiful. This is kind of a paradise feeling. It is nice and cool this morning. I have on a tank top and I am very comfortable. Although it's getting warm in the sun. It's probably about 10 o'clock in the morning by now. Here comes a man. And there are more places to stay down there. Those look like individual rooms. It is pretty empty here today. October. I think our cottages might be some of the originals. I'm not positive. There's a theater back here in the corner, like a movie theater, and a chapel. don't think you'd call this old Hawaii, but it certainly feels kind of like old. The houses are all up on little platforms so you can get some breeze underneath. Right. Theater, chapel. Okay, so as far as location, it's our first day, so I don't know. We are here for a week. If I wait to make this after I've been here, I get kind of like lazy or not motivated. So I don't want to make a video. I'm like, oh, I'm tired. I start seeing so many things every day. So I can't really tell you whether this is the place to go. I believe this is the only military lodging on the Big Island. There seem to be ample other places to stay though. So, you know, I don't know. It is not secure in that there's no gate. You don't have to show your military ID or anything. So if you really want that sort of situation, you don't want to stay here. It is inside the Volcanoes National Park. So we did go through a gate there, although we got here at 7 p.m. The gate was closed. It said pay online. We have a pass, so we didn't do that. And I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. I'm going to walk down and finish the circle and then end the tour. So, yeah, it's nice. It's not, you know, it's got a whole different vibe from the stuff on Oahu is different. It's more like you would think Hawaii would be. And this is more of a, I don't know how to describe it, land-based. I don't know. I don't know enough about Hawaii to give you a good description. So I'm just doing the tour, man. So you can see what this particular place looks like. So I'm going to walk on around this loop and call it a day.
Okay, as we're walking along, I'm going to read you some more info. This is from a sheet of paper that we got when we checked in. It's nothing that I wrote myself. The Kilauea, how do you say that, Dave? Kilauea? Kilauea. It's about 100 years old, so no wonder it's some of these places are looking pretty old. 1914. It's been a place for health and relaxation for the Army and Navy. It's been a summer camp for teachers, a Boy Scout camp, a training base, an internment camp, prisoner of war camp, headquarters for various military units. Today it stands as one of Hawaii's most unique retreats. A bunch of stuff about when different things were built. So not that interesting to me. I don't want to, give away everything on the history. You got to come here and get this sheet of paper for yourself. Franklin D. Roosevelt briefly visited in 1936 during an automobile tour. And that means basically drove through and probably used the bathroom and then went on or something. General Dwight D. Eisenhower visited 1946. He stayed in that house that I showed you. Okay. All right. Well, that's it. Lodging facilities and select services are available to active duty, guard, reserve, retired, veteran, service members, as well as DOD, Department of Interior, and their sponsored guests. All are welcome to enjoy a meal and explore this remarkable and historical site. I would say check the website. Just go to the website. It will tell you the most up-to-date things. It does have, let's see, that Crater Rim Cafe I showed you has breakfast every day. This is as of October 2024, and it's only open for dinner on Friday and Saturday night. The Bowling Alley Grill, open every day, 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. The last order taken at 9:30. The little coffee stand inside the arcade, which is called Java Cafe, 6 a.m. to 7, Wednesday through Saturday, Sunday through Tuesday, 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. Fitness Center, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Laundry, 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Lava Lounge, that looks like where all the action's happening. Monday through Thursday, 4 to 8. Friday, Saturday, 4 to 10. Sunday, 4 to 8. Wednesday, Thursday, live music at 5. It starts at 6 on Friday and Saturday. Lava Bites, available Sunday through Thursday. They have trivia night and other things. The store is open every single day, 8 to 7 p.m., except on Sunday. It closes at 4 p.m. You can sign up to pay for some tours. I think those are like bus tours, but you have to reserve those a week in advance. So that's out for us. There is a little gas station where you can use your credit card, self-service, to get gas if you're low on gas. I think that's pretty comprehensive information for you. I do really like these lava cottages. I just think they look so cool. I did notice every single cottage has an outdoor trash can, like somehow attached or zip tied to the cottage, which I find very interesting. I mean, I know you gotta have your trash somewhere, but I don't know. There's no dumpsters. That. This is that view from the back. Our cabin's over there. So, briefly for prices, I said I wasn't going to talk about it, but I really need to talk about something while I'm walking around the rest of the loop. Oh, yeah, I did want to show you this cool stained glass. This is my favorite of all the stained glasses that I saw. The one with the volcano and the Nene goose. Anyway, I think we paid like $155 for our cottage, and then a couple of nights it was a little bit more, like $180. I don't know what's going on. And this was kind of the cheapest. The other, everything else with the, you add a bedroom or a kitchen or something else, it gets to be a little more expensive. And they have 1 6-bedroom. That's probably that Eisenhower house, but I don't know, for $600 a night. And the 2 and 3 bedrooms are like $200 and maybe $300. Of course, you have to check the website. They had some kind of summer special. We didn't seem to get that, but it was 25% off. It doesn't seem like very many people are here on this random Tuesday in the middle of October. I'm sure it's more crowded when school is out. I was really surprised how many people were at the visitor center for the Volcano National Park. It was packed. And it is only 1 mile. You can walk down there to that visitor center and check that out if you don't want to drive. And then there's a pretty nice restaurant across the street from the visitor center that overlooks the big gray steaming volcano crater. You could also walk to that if you wanted to. You're close enough to do it. Okay, well, I am just about back to our little cabin. I've walked the entire circle or loop of the resort so that you've seen just about everything. I didn't go inside the fitness center, and I didn't go inside a few of the other buildings like the laundry and I don't know, some stuff like that. But I think you get the general idea of what it would be like to stay here and spend your vacation here. Thanks for watching.
Complete.
I'll see you in my next video.
Dave's patiently been waiting for me. You've been waiting a while.
Yep.
Okay.